Good morning, everybody. Today's we're not gonna do a tool review, and we're not gonna do any diag. I just wanted to put some information out there about drilled and slotted rotors. Not nothing for this guy, but he's definitely doing this hopefully just for the looks, because that's the only reason why you should ever put a drilled or slotted rotor on a vehicle. They come on Porsches and stuff. These will not help your car stop better. There is no data out there saying that drilled or slotted rotors will help you stop better, especially if they're on a steel rotor. I don't know much about the carbon special, race rotors that are drilled and slotted. Those, and maybe it helps, but these tend to just lead to brake noise, pulsations, other stuff like that. You can see here, this is a rear rotor. This is a solid rotor. This is not vented. In front here, you can see that they're solid. There's no drilled or slotted rotors here, and they are vented. These right here are what cool the rotor down. They're not holes either. There would be holes on this side connecting to those, or on this rotor. You can't see them, but they're behind the rotor. And those are what cool the rotor down. Those do a very good job. There's absolutely no reason to put them on the outside. That's why manufacturers don't. Now, some of you might be saying, "Oh, but my Porsche does," and your Porsche does it just because they look good. That's the only reason why they do it. If you ever had a Porsche driver and they've gone to a track day, they will also know that the track will highly recommend replacing with solid rotors, due to the fact that under high heat, in the situation of a circuit race, they will crack, because there is now a cut here and holes here that are going to cause structural damage after the heat. It'll either crack here or they'll crack here. I believe the most common place is on the holes. Yeah, so they don't help your car stop better. They do not help your car disperse heat in the braking system better. It is just for looks. So anyone out there that's a DIYer thinking that they're going to put aftermarket drilled and slotted rotors on to help the performance of their brakes, they are 100% wrong. And in a lot of cases, like I said before, they just lead to noises and pulsations. And they'll actually have, you can't tell me that it's not wearing the pad more than a regular rotor would, because now there's almost like things to wear it quicker. So if you want the best performance out of your brakes, replace them with OEM quality or better. Don't replace them with the same OEM size and brake pad just with slotted rotors and drilled rotors and think that's going to help, because it's not. So I like to help some of you DIYers out with some information here. A lot of misinformation about this on the internet. So hope you guys have a great day.